Your portfolio could be one trade away from a 9% pop or a 9% drop before the weekend even starts. That's the kind of headline that makes traders sit up straight, and it's exactly what happened on Tuesday, 21st August 2025, when Indian markets closed deep in the red. Banks and financials led the slide, spooked by fresh tariff chatter and geopolitical tremors. The Nifty kissed 24,700 intraday, then wilted to finish more than 200 points lower. But here's where it gets controversial. Some technicians argue the sell-off is noise, not signal. Rupak Day, senior technical analyst at LKP Securities, says the index is directionless in the short term, caught between 24,450 support and 24,660 to 24,700 resistance. A decisive break either way could catapult the Nifty to 24,850 or drag it to 24,337. In other words, the next 48 hours could be make or break for swing traders. So what do you do when the market feels like a coin flip? You zoom in on individual names. Below are 4 small cap ideas that analysts insist still have 8–9% upside left, even if the headline index keeps wobbling. Read on, jot down the levels, and yes, decide for yourself whether these calls are genius or reckless. 1. Zota Healthcare. Buy around 1,332. Potential upside, 9%. Stop loss, 1,270. Close below. First target, 1,400. Stretch target, 1,450. What the chart whispers. The stock has quietly sketched a textbook higher high, higher low staircase. After weeks of coiling in a tight range, it exploded out of the gate with a tall bullish candle and volume that dwarfed the 20-day average. Translation: big hands are accumulating. Price is perched above key exponential moving averages, EMAs. The RSI is a pumped-up 71.56 and the ADX at 36.15 screams trend is your friend. Beginner decodering. When RSI is above 70, the stock isn't just strong, it's overbought. Some traders panic. Momentum traders cheer. The ADX above 25 confirms the move has legs, not just hype. Analyst, Drumil Vithlani, Technical Research Analyst, Bonanza Portfolio. 2. Choice International. Buy around 789 rupees. Potential upside, 8%. Stop loss, 750. Close below. First target, 820. Stretch target, 850. What the chart whispers. After months of drifting sideways like a lazy river, Choice finally punched through the upper end of its range. The breakout candle arrived with volume 40% above average, classic sign of fresh accumulation. Price is lounging above its 20 and 50-day EMAs. RSI is a healthy 69.16 and ADX is 32.23 and rising. Beginner tip: a range breakout is like a coiled spring. The longer the base, the higher the space. Just don't ignore the stop loss. Failed breakouts can reverse fast. Analyst, Drumil Vithlani, Bonanza Portfolio. 3. Policybazaar, PB Fintech. Buy around 1,825. Potential upside, 8%. Stop loss, 1,735, close below. Target, 1,975. Time horizon, 2 to 3 weeks. What the chart whispers. After a bruising 2-month downtrend, the stock appears to have hammered out a crucial bottom near 1,725. Monday's session saw price slice through a falling trendline like a hot knife through butter. Volume expanded on the breakout, and daily RSI has curled upward from oversold territory. Controversy alert. Some bears argue Policybazaar is merely dead cat bouncing and could roll over again. Bulls counter that the reversal pattern is textbook and the risk-reward skews heavily toward reward with a tight stop at 1,735. Analyst, Nagaraj Shetty, Senior Technical Research Analyst, HDFC Securities. 4. EPL, formerly ESL Procac. Buy around 231 rupees. Potential upside, 8%. Stop loss, 220 rupees, close below. Target, 250 rupees. Time horizon, 2 to 3 weeks. What the chart whispers. EPL has been inching higher in a gentle higher tops, higher bottoms rhythm. It's now knocking on the door of a bigger consolidation band breakout at 235 to 240. Volume is ticking up, and RSI is pointing north. Beginner takeaway. Think of consolidation as a pressure cooker. When the lid finally lifts, price breaks out. Steam, momentum can rush out quickly. Just keep the stop-loss snug, because false breakouts love to burn rookie fingers. Analyst Nagaraj Shetty, HDFC Securities. The elephant in the room. Every call above is built on technical patterns, not fundamentals. That's either music to your ears, because charts don't lie, or a red flag, because lines on a screen ignore balance sheets. Would you pull the trigger on any of these four, or are you sitting cash heavy, waiting for the real clarity on tariffs and geopolitics? Drop your unfiltered take in the comments. Which stock is a hero trade, and which one is a trap waiting to spring? Let the debate begin.